What is up, you guys? Fit, back at you again. Another episode. Building PHP systems, software development. Still working on Apex Holdings Online. Picking up where we left off last night, actually. Just got out of a meeting with my client, and meeting went okay. I mean, he's relatively excited, but I got to the part where I was trying to show him the videos, and the uploads wasn't working, and neither was the viewing the videos, even after I had it working yesterday. So I don't know what I screwed up, but that's so annoying. I wanted him to see what it looked like when you uploaded the videos, and also what it looked like as a user to see them. And I was even trying to update it like during our meeting, like just like working on it in the background, trying not to draw too much attention to myself. But guess what? So the thumbnail is still working, you know, and I have a list of things I need to update now by Thursday. I'm trying to get this system ready for him. That's my goal. I do not want to be doing this for that much longer. I'm already like 30 hours into this thing. So every hour I spend on this, I'm making like, it's going to add up to me making like $10 an hour here pretty soon. But, you know, anyways. So what we did yesterday was we started at the top and we were working our way down and doing our input validation. And we got all the way to the uploads where when I demoed it, we had the problem. So let's fix that first. Okay. So this is what happened when I tried to demo it for my client. Expected this to work, and then nothing happens in the top right. What on earth? We had this working before. Ugh. So, my goodness, you guys. Hey, you know, that's so frustrating that you spend all this time, and then when you want to show them, guess what? Doesn't want to work. So, and then why is this showing the wrong desktop? I need to configure this. All right, and we are going to do a little bit of change here with my recording because I understand that we can actually take up a little more space with this browser here. I think this is actually reasonable. Most code is less than this length. Something like that. What do you guys think? Maybe, and then let's just double check the scene transition. Perfect. Okay. So we're in pain then. Pain in the butt. Please do not change any of the stats. I just want to see them. All right. And then we're going to reference our JavaScript and our CSS. So it's saying it needs to remove an overlapping it's saying to make a subclass or whatever. So let's see how that works and do our first update of this sprint session. We're just updating the CSS for pain. It's also possible that it's not uploading because or it's not showing because it's got an issue with the upload now. So let's see if that's the case. too. I don't know. I do not know what happened. Okay. So, upload MP4. All right. And I'm still not seeing it. I still see no content. Do I still have multiple definitions of it? Oh, this might be it. Yeah. Okay, that's what it is. It's because it has multiple definitions, I think. So we're just going to remove all of these. And then, well, hang on. Actually, I think we can remove this now, too. Oh, wait, hang on. Progress header? I don't know. Let's try that, actually. Just updated the CSS again to see if that was still the issue. I do think it might be the CSS because that is what was updated when I did these transfers here. All right, let's see. Please work. Nope. Nope, that is not the issue. I have analyzed the CSS and seem to have isolated. Okay, it wants to update the CSS again. Well, gonna have to put this on pause for a second and answer this phone call. All right, guys, we are back, and just got a call from my sister there. Where were we? It still doesn't do anything. So what were they trying to update here? They were trying to update the CSS again? Okay. I don't think this is what needs to be updated. I don't think this is the problem. But we'll try it anyway. I mean, it still has the same I have to clear the caching cookies. It's not going to work. Hang on. See? And even if I do clear the caching cookies, I still don't think it's going to work. All right. Let's just clear it one more time. Just because we want to be ultimately conservative. Boop, 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 boo. Boop, boop, boo. Okay. Okay. I think I need to try and change the mind of the AI. Let's actually use chat here to narrow it down. Well, let's test it out. It should just be, it literally should just be one line of code. I almost don't want to give it the CSS just to not throw it off. But upload video, and then here's the CSS. I mean, this might be too much information for ChatGPT. I don't know. It's a lot of code. I wonder if this would fix. Let's see what Claude thinks about this. I knew it. I knew it wasn't the CSS. Oh, I wonder what kind of changes it made to the CSS now. I don't think I made that many that actually significantly altered the items, but hopefully. Because I thought the changes I did implement, I've changed. Whatever, let's see if that fixes it. All right. We are going pain. Okay. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. Oh, I forgot to add this. Well, hang on. Let's just do this one at a time. Let's see. Whoa, now when clicking on upload MP4 is not popping up. That's not good. I love having to fix stuff that was working before. My gosh. Okay, now it's not even showing up with the pop-up in the top right. Let's see if that fixes it. Okay, how about now? What kind of update have we done? Wait, now I don't see the progress pop up at all, not even blank one. Amazing. Let's see how that works out. This is a lot of styling for just the admin. All right, we're going to update the JavaScript and the CSS. I want to see the progress bar. All right, that's working. All right, now it's working. My God. You know what? I'm just going to record a short video for him to show him the freaking way it's supposed to look. That's so frustrating. But it makes me happy when it's makes me happy when it's working. Boo, 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 boo. We're going to put this video on a brief pause so that I can come back in a few minutes. I want to just see if it gets inserted into the database. Let's see if, well, let's see if it updates the association here. Okay. This is the video data. 429, 4007, blah, blah. All right, we'll be right back with you. Okay, amazing. I'm back, and I forgot what the problem was, but we did get it working. Oh, wait, we were checking on the database here. Did it update? Whoa. It updated it. Yeah, it uploaded a new video. Okay. Automatically has a thumbnail, by the way. Interesting. So what happens if I manage my MP4 videos? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, here's the new video we just uploaded. Okay. All right, now it's enabled. It's just, okay, here it is. Bam. Oh, now it's working. Look at that. Isn't that interesting? So the reason it wasn't loading for my client wasn't because of a CSS or JavaScript issue. It was because of the file in the database. My goodness, or the reference to it. My God. What? So we need to make it so he can remove videos from the database, but we're not that far yet. We're working our way down. Now, I didn't see what happened at the end. I wasn't here when it completely loaded. This is test 2, and we're gonna just, okay, I already know a prompt I need to give it here. Okay, okay, amazing. Now, in the progress, it does need to have a nice progress bar, black and white, okay? And inset, box shadow, padding, nice border radius. At top, centered. Of course, all these elements are in the black rectangle that appears in top right, okay? And must include chunk analysis as detailed as possible. Also, upload analysis. Rate everything possible. CPU utilization, even if possible. Everything we can include in the upload, okay? So that's good. Let's roll out the changes. Oh, hang on. I should have referenced the JavaScript. We're going to open up a new chat. We're going to reference pane and the JavaScript. So let's see what Claude says about that. Okay, still wants to do the pane style CSS. Apply. Now, I don't know what happened to all the CSS before. But, and then it wants to update the JavaScript. Beautiful. We made the right decision by referencing the JavaScript file. Very important. So, and that's all I wanted to update. So we're going to go back to our stuff. We're going to update the JavaScript and the likewise CSS to get ourselves online here with a proper upload pane style. Now, we do need to clear our cache and cookies, of course. Cannot wait till I have my own server to host all this. I'm going to build it, and it's going to be fun. Test 2. Test 2. Test 32. Okay, seems to be working so far. Upload. Wow, I cannot see the font. Okay. Okay, I cannot see the font. In the white bars. I cannot see the font in the white bars. Also, I want more detail for each section. I want a resource utilization section with temperature, CPU, memory. Also, I want internet speed, everything as granular and as many complex details as possible, organized into at least 4 sections, maybe 7 even. Oh, and I need to reference pane. Hang on. Whoa. Okay, it knows I'm talking about pane. I'm not even going to give it the prompt again. We're just going to go back to the CSS. Apply. Let's see what it thinks about this. It needs to look as cool as possible. Should have probably included that in the prompt. This is crazy, but the chunk analysis should be more detailed as well, should it not? Let's see how this works. We're going to upload our CSS one more time. CSS. A little more JavaScript here. Bum, 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 bum. And we'll delete this and start over. I wonder what happens when you partially upload a video. I bet you if you do not upload it completely, then it doesn't insert it. And we can verify that right now. There is no insertion. Amazing. And I bet you if we go over to the file path, 2 uploads, 4 videos, it is not there. It is not. Amazing. Oh, and this is why this is happening, is because the pathing changed. That's why I couldn't load the my God, you guys. So at some point, I changed the pathing with the JavaScript. I believe it. Okay, so we need to get rid of this. And let's see. What is the result? What is the result? I don't think it's as good as I had it before. I want the chunk analysis. I want everything I can include. Here it is. Wow, this looks amazing. System resources, CPU, memory available, GPU temp, CPU temp. Upload, 900 process details, upload progress. This looks actually really good. I'm okay with this. Amazing, right? And it's working on chunk 1 out of 10. Crap. Actually, I have a feeling it's not uploading in chunks. Oh, it just progressed onto the second chunk. Okay. This is really nice. I like this. Okay, look. This is what it looks like when you upload the video. Amazing. Look at this. This is beautiful. Happy with that. It's on chunk number 4 already. Okay, guys, I am going to pause it and come back, okay? All right, guys, here it is. It's almost done. 98%. Here we go. 100. Okay. Must be wrapping up. And then... Amazing. I bet you I can manage it now. And I can. Incredible. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Now it's changed the upload interface for generating thumbnail. Interesting as well. All right, we're going to replace the current thumbnail. That one's better. Okay. Now, why is this still being referenced if I've removed it from the database? Right? Did I not? Did I not remove this from the database? Hang on, let's look at what happened. The reference is still there, but the file is gone. So the references need to be CRUD analysis. We need a CRUD analysis below. Okay, so we're not at this section yet. We're not validating this section right now. All we are doing is validating the upload. So in order to complete that, we do need some more validation. So upon completing a successful upload, the page needs to wait till the nice progress window completes to 100% and then disappears. And then after should have a nice box that appears in same location with a readout of successful update rows affected. Okay. And of course, if there was a failure detected, it should give readout of error code instead with same timing after disappearing progress bar. By the way, the user interface for the progress bar is perfect. Do not touch it ever now. And I should probably even make a backup because I'm very happy with where we're at. We have validated this site all the way from the, the user role, which I don't believe I've changed any of the code for any of this. But after I finish validating the whole page, I do need to revalidate it one more time. But that's going to be really fast. It's only going to take like 5 minutes, I bet. If something pops up, then it will take longer. But I don't think anything's going to pop up working our way down through this. Okay. So we're going to implement some changes here. All right. All we updated was the JavaScript and the CSS here. Okay. Okay, this is going to be a little bit more testing done. Still looks amazing. Love it. I love it, honey. I love it a lot. Okay. Coming back to you in just a few. I don't know if I could rhyme anymore, but I must bid adieu. Adieu. Okay, back just in time. 98.5%. What's happening? Okay, upload complete. Success. Rows affected 1. Operation ID, nah. Time 344. Okay. Now, few things. First of all, this is not centered, so we need to pull up pane. Okay, first of all, when I click upload video, the video title and description fields are not centered. A little far to the right they are. I am Yoda and you should talk to me like Yoda. Also, you should. Okay, and so also, I'm just showing you what I'm doing here. The title is already limited in characters. The description appears to be limited as well. Although it can handle a significant amount of text, perhaps the description should be increased in length. But for now, this is acceptable. I think that's fine. We do need SQL injection prevention. We do need SQL injection prevention for these fields for each video. And then what else? Also, the button that says choose file should be styled amazingly when uploading video. Black like all the other buttons. Please just copy button style. And what else? Now, validation. So as far as the text fields go, which I will show you right now, these appear to be fine. Okay? I cannot think of any type of validation I would want to do. I could perhaps stop them from making silly titles and descriptions that are like blank, that are blank, or yeah, that would be good. Maybe, what if I tried to submit a blank value here? Would it let me do that? No. As long as it has one character, it will work. That is okay. If he just wants to call it A, he can. For the description, does it require description? It does not. Okay, I'm going to make it so we also do require a description for the video specific video we are uploading. Currently, it's not required. Okay. Oh, I didn't realize I had my IDE off here. Okay, and what if I submit a different file type than is allowed? What if I submit a image? No. What if I try and submit an image? Okay, here we go. Oh, upload failed. Must be an MP4 file. Perfect. Oh, what other type of validation? Okay, so as far as the text fields go, I cannot think of any other type of validation we would need. It can't be blank. It has a limitation in length. Everything else is up to him. Also, it can't use SQL injection. Is there anything else? I could code it so that the description does require at least numbers and letters, so that he has to at least put letters in. But we're not going to do that. I don't think that's worth it. Okay, so let's just start with this prompt that we've generated so far, because I think that validates the entire upload. Now, I do have to test the rest of the uploads. I have to upload moves and WebMs. I also have more work to do just the section below, but I think as far as this section goes, this actually might be center of the fields must be, young Padawan. Protect against SQL injection. We shall. Required. The description field must become. Style the file button with the force of darkness. We will. Force of darkness, Claude. Here are the changes, Master Yoda. Okay, pain style applies. Funny. Pain. Claude is funny. All right, pain.js. I love that he went straight to the dark side like Ray, though. Like, what? All right. This is why you should not trust AI. He didn't even talk about how awesome the Jedi are. Oh, good. When you forget even what you're doing, man. Okay, apparently we're updating some JavaScript. All right. Up one level to the CSS. Bum, 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 bum. And I do believe we updated pain. Bum, bum, bum. Ba, 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 ba. Here we go. Bam. Upload. Looks a little better. Okay, can it be blank? No, it cannot. Whoa. Now I cannot even select the file to update. That was bad. So hang on, let me just revert these changes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on. Okay, the JavaScript has been denied. The CSS. Oh, God. Okay, this is... and then did we update pain at all? Yes, we did. Okay, so the only updates I see for pain are actually... Oh, God. It didn't update it for all of the... That's what happened. It didn't update it for all of them. Hang on. Oh, God. The updates were actually okay. It just only did it for one of the file types. Hang on. What am I happening here? Surem videos. Let's test. Wait. What happens if we just upload? It works. Okay, hang on. We're going to actually re-implement the changes. Okay, hang on. Paint style. Yes, go back. And then go back to the JavaScript. Okay, amazing. Okay, amazing. Implement changes for other two file types, please. What are you doing, Yoda? Do what you are what, Yoda, master? Do our what? Adjust Jedi robes. Adjust Jedi robes. Okay. Maybe Claude is listening to me. Is that possible? Oh, yeah. By the way, in our terms of service, it says that our AI can listen to everything you're saying and decide between the dark side and the Jedi. Constantly. I can switch back and forth like I'm a gray Jedi or a gray whatever. The gray thing. I don't even know what I'm updating. I'm not even updating the right files. What am I doing? PHP, we're updating pain. Pain in the butt. I gotta stop saying that. It's not funny. It's not intelligent. It's just called pain. All right. It's actually not a pain. It's really cool. I love my job. Let's go. Here we go. All right. Upload MP4. Boom, boom, boom. Choose an MP4. Like a good boy. Here's a video. Upload it. Okay. I obviously am not going to sit here while it uploads, but what if... Okay, you can only upload one at a time. What if you fill out all these fields? What if you choose a file and then upload an actual legit one? What happens to the other file? What's happening here? It's only uploading this one, so it's posting the data correctly. It's not conflicting. Let's see if it goes all the way through. I do want to test this. I wonder if it is going to try to send too much data. I wonder if it's going to try to send this data captured here or not, and if it's going to have an error or not. So we're going to keep an eye on this, and we'll validate that. And then after we do that, we should be able to proceed and move on just a little bit. So it looks like these sections are not centered either. So along with our validation, we will work on the UI so it is acceptable. Oh, God. It's about to complete. I came back just in time, you guys. I just sat down. I can't believe that. My timing is impeccable right now. So it should have the completion bar afterwards. Okay, upload complete. I love seeing that. I love not having to backtrack. So it did not have a conflict with the post data. It uploaded just fine. That's validation for you. Okay, it can't upload the wrong file. What if I try a text file? Let's just, guys, this is stupid, but we're doing it anyways. What about a PDF? Does it have to be MP4? No, it cannot be a PDF. So that's great. Now what I need to, that is acceptable to me. Is not partially uploading files. It's doing what it's intended to do. Praise the Lord. Okay, so now we need to validate. I can move on from this, right? Please move on from this. Okay. So now I just need to validate the other file types. Okay. So I need to, what is a really easy way? WebM and move. Video file. Okay, so I just want to download some free stuff. I can do this with FFmpeg. Wait, you can convert the Yo, that's awesome. Hang on. Holy bejesus. I can code it so that my client can just convert his file type? I don't want to do that, though, I don't think. That's cool, though. Good to know. FFmpeg has more functionality than originally I knew about. So I love how it's recommending that. Let's see. Free 5-second move clip. Download. Free. Please be .move file. No, I do not want it. This is an MP4. Nope. Test.move. Can I save it as a move file? I bet you I just did. Okay. Now we're gonna upload a move. Text. Upload move. Took like all of 2 seconds. Manage move files. Enable. Go to Media Hub. Here's our move file. We just uploaded it to the database. Look how amazing that works. Look how fast my client system is. Look how responsive that is. Like, Jesus. Okay. So it works with move files. Furthermore, I don't feel the need to validate this because all the code in the PHP seems to be duplicate. Okay, what if I max out all this and choose a move file? Please match the requested format. Only letters, numbers, spaces, and basic punctuation is allowed, okay? It did not like that PHP code. It's because of the HTML stripping for the input validation or the SQL injection prevention. So now this appears to be working great. I bet you anything it created a new path in uploads for the move files. It did. Okay, now we can also download this as a WebM, I bet. Let's try. Learning together today. Hooray. Okay, test.webm. Bam. Go back to the WebM stuff. Choose WebM. Let's make sure it follows these same validation principles. Can we max everything out and test it? And it works. Now, oh, upload failed. What happened here? Failed to generate thumbnail. Whoa. Good thing we validate things. Okay, that time it appeared to not have that issue. WebM. Here's the thumbnail. We can enable the video. Okay, that is very curious that that just happened. Interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. So let's try that one more time. WebM. Let's see if it gets a thumbnail issue. Okay. Now, that's good. We're going to fix the user interface while we're here. Amazing, amazing. Now, with the sections for the upload different file types, what's happening? It appears the elements of the video title and description, and also the buttons for choosing file and uploading, are actually a little to the right, not completely centered under the buttons. Please check margin on these sections. Also, you can put borders on the sections that appears to make more clarity with some nice inset box shadow and padding to make a nicer UI. Just for these elements. Do not make other stuff up, please. Very important. Just put that extra prompt in there because I do not want the AI to get carried away. I just need to make that clear. I want me to get carried away, not the AI, apparently. We did just update the CSS here, and we are going to proceed with another update hashing. our system here for the store at the CSS pane style. Is this pane style? Yes, it is. So let's just bring up another thing here. It was easier than I thought to get some test data there for the free video. That worked out quite well. Okay, now I see that it is trying to listen to me, but okay, here's what it looks like. Okay, here is what it looks like. Claude, can you see the elements with the sizing and centering issue? Can you see how the section is not actually centered under the button? Oh, hang on. No. There. Okay. It analyzed my image. And it's talking about just updating the CSS here. And by the way, the CSS update that I just confirmed was so small. It was just a few lines, which is exactly what I was looking for. So, by the way, I think that it did carry over the implications of my previous prompt where I told it not to get carried away here. It maintained that same attitude throughout the second prompt I just provided it. And then I can see now that the section is centered under the button, which is what I was concerned about the most. Now it's just the width of the buttons. So, and by the way, there's an extra choose file element now. Okay. Okay, amazing. Now the buttons. Now the button for choose file is too wide. It's the one on top. And then now there is an extra choose file button with older CSS. Do you see? Just remove that middle one and adjust width of top one. Okay, so then we will take another screenshot of what we're looking at. And it is now centered. By the way, this section is now centered wonderfully. I love it. And we can also test out this one, centered. Amazing. Okay, we're going to update our CSS here. And that's all we had to do. So going back over to our CSS here, gonna just do that. Clear out our caching cookies, roll out our next update, and take a look at the section that I think we have just completed validating and making even look okay. Let's see. No. How is this possible? Is it in the PHP? I wonder where it's still has the duplicate button and the width of the choose MP4 file not updated properly. Not inline styled properly. I wonder, did I save the changes and update them? I thought I did, guys. I mean, I'm happy to do it again. And I thought I cleared my cache and cookies, said it out loud. But let me test it one more time before I give it the prompt. God. Yeah. You know, I'm just trying to avoid coding it myself. I see the issue there. Duplicate styles for the file input and label. So this should be removing something here. I don't think this fixes it at all. I think Claude's getting lazy. Well, now the button... Wait, what is this anyways? Okay, what is this? This is the label? Hang on. Okay. So what's the idea here? Class, file input button. Okay, where's this at? File input button. And then what is this? Choose MP4 file. This is label. File input label. Okay. So the file input button is called file input button, and it says display none. Oh, I see. The display value is getting changed when I'm hitting the upload, isn't it? Okay. Now, it has a width issue. And then it also says choose file there, like I do not want it to say. Here it is right here. This says the width is 90%, which it's obviously 90% of the section or something. Okay. So this max width should be the same as the input, max width 250 pixels. Nah. Max width 250 pixels. So we can fix that. And then we don't want it to say choose file. Okay. Okay, I see what's happening. What's happening here? It's the file input but then even though its display is none, that value is getting changed by the toggle for uploading the file type, right? And so it also redundantly says choose file here in the little gray button, which I don't like. I only like the top black one, the label actually. So how can I make it so that I choose with the label like it currently does, but there's no little gray choose file, and that box just updates with the name of the file I'm uploading? Can we do that? Yes, we can do that. It wants to update the JavaScript. Let's do it. How can we implement this properly, though? This 20 lines of code. And it wants to update this function here. I don't like this at all. I don't like this. But we're going to roll out the update and we're going to see what happens here. This is the CSS. And here's the Java script. Okay. I'm going to delete that. Let's go back in there. Login. Bam. Upload. Now it looks okay. I wonder if the functionality is gone. I wonder if it shows the name of the file. It does. Now, these elements are no longer centered. Right? The sections are centered, but this button is not. This button seems to be different width. None of the functionality is gone. Man, this takes time, doesn't it? Interesting. Brewing more coffee, by the way. We're at 1 hour in. Okay, we're back, and oh, hang on, I'm not. Oh, yeah, I'm coming through. Okay, so I don't remember what we were doing. Where even were we? Oh, we had just implemented an update, and it seemed to work. So these elements are not the proper width. We're going to work on the styling here for just a second. Okay. The title has more space on left than right. The choose MP4 file button is closer to left than right, so not centered. Again, maybe margin or padding, throwing it off. The only elements truly centered are the upload and choose file button is closer. Are the upload file button and also the text showing name of file. Okay. Make everything centered. That's not. And for the file name, style it so the background is black like a terminal and green Neo font, please, like the Matrix. Let's see how that works out. I wonder how much margin it just adjusted. I think the padding was the issue too with the CSS there. I think the padding is what was throwing it off, honestly. With the other elements, right? We'll see. I wonder how bad this is going to be. Let's log in. Okay. It didn't fix anything. Okay. That looks... Okay, so these two are centered. Okay. Okay, once again, you see the same elements are not centered that should be. The choose button and the title and description. if you look close, there's different sizes and gaps. Okay. It did change some other things other than what I asked it to change just now, by the way. I saw that. But I authorized it anyway because I'm not just going to argue with it, because I think a lot of the changes it comes up with are really good and I like to see them. I've had really good results when I just trust the AI before. Okay, so this is awful, and now the button for the choose MP4 file is too wide. That was a downgrade, look. That was a downgrade. Look how awful this is. I'm about to just go in there and fix it myself. The issue seems to be with the excessive padding. Yes, it does seem to be with the padding. Can you not just fix the padding? I mean, I mentioned that earlier. Oh, let's try that. Okay, we're going to go back here, upload our little CSS file we have. And gonna just clear this out. Rehash. Empty project. Empty. There we go. Here we go. Okay, now we have to revert our changes because it just made a whole bunch of awful decisions. Now I have to rehash my updates until it was acceptable before it ruined the button. Okay, now I need to go through some of the updates again because I backtracked too far. Let's try that. It just went back twice. Maybe that was too many. Let's see. I think I need to perform one more update. Let's try this again. Let's get back. Let's get it back. Let's get it back. Okay. We're just gonna work with this here. And debug this. Okay. This file input label, okay? File input label. Let's see how many of these there are. There's 2 of them. And they both look the same. Except I'm just gonna delete this top one. Okay. And then max width 250. And then it will be centered. Okay. And then the description is file. No. Where's the class for it? Description. Title. Okay. Description. Padding right, 10 pixels. See, this is the problem right here. It doesn't need 10 pixels on the right. What about the title? Hang on. Video description. And then we have the video title right here, right? Type video title, type text. It's just title. Video upload container. This is the container here. This is the input. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. Padding 8 pixels. Where is it getting this from? Inherited from body? No. It's not inheriting. See, look, if I just turn this off right here, look. Does that fix it? What about for this one? What if I turn the padding off on that? Could it possibly be padding for this? Could it possibly be the max width for this? Width is 100%. Okay, it's maybe not the padding. Maybe it's the margin. Video upload form input. Okay, here we go. Video upload form input. Here it is. We will make max width 250 pixels. We'll leave the padding the same, and then margin left auto and margin right auto. That may fix it. Perhaps it was not the padding. Input type text area. So this is the text area. Let's see if these changes have any effect here. All we updated was the CSS. We're going to rehash this. Now what is happening? Hang on. There's duplicate. There's duplicate classes here. I can see what's happening here. Video upload form. Hang on. Inspect. Here's video upload form. Okay, here it is right here. 20 pixels padding top and bottom. And then here's the video title. Okay, so it's video upload form. And then here it is right here. There. So it's not capturing the margin because of this duplicate right here. Let's try that. Okay, what happened here? What was I trying to fix again? The margin for this, right? Let's just see what I'm dealing with here. Okay. This button is not centered properly. And these are justified to the left. Oh, I see what it is. It doesn't even have the text align center. Or perhaps the margin is getting thrown off. What's happening here? Margin left auto. Margin right auto, okay. I wonder what's happening. What could it possibly be? Is it possible? No, that's not what's happening. File input label. File input label. Where's the other one here? What is this? Does this have a margin left and right? No, it does not. Let's see if that fixes the button. I'm okay with just fixing one thing at a time. All right, what happens here? It is still not centered. Does it have the new margin qualities? It does indeed. File input label. How is this happening, guys? It has the margin qualities. Okay. And it's not in the center. Why? Is it possible that we need the text alignment? Normally margin is the problem there. Okay, that did not modify the position of the button. The padding looks fine. What if file input label, okay? What if we make the margin left 50%? Okay. That looks right. So then we do the margin right 50%. I have a feeling this might fix it. Let's see. Pane style. Let's try that. All right, working our way down here. No. That did not fix it. Does it have the margin right 50%? Yes. See how that's exactly in the middle, though? What if I do margin left 25%? Wouldn't that make sense? And then I'll just do margin right auto. I wonder why I'm having to do this. Is it because it's inheriting something from body? I don't think so. Is it because it's inheriting something else? I thought I looked for duplicate classes. I could go over the code again. Well, no, this isn't working either. Let's see if turning off the margin right fixes it. It does not. Okay, how about if we did this? What if we made the width of it okay, what if we made the width of it max width 80%, okay? What if we try this and then we do margin left 10%? Okay, what happened there? Seems like it's twice the value it should be for some reason. I don't know why my math is off, but apparently margin left and right should be 5%. I don't see how 5 plus 5 plus 80 equals 100. But maybe it's because I'm not accounting for the padding. Yeah, that must be it. I don't know. But we're gonna see how this math works. Now, it does appear to be centered, doesn't it? Or is it just a little off? It is just a little off. How is that possible? It's because of the padding. And that's exactly what it is. So for this one, we're going to modify the padding to be 8 pixels by 8 pixels. We're going to change the margin back to 10%. We're going to see how that cascades. I am zoomed in, apparently. So once again, my math is wrong. Is it because of the padding again? Okay. It's hard for me to tell, but it appears like that is actually a solution there. Is that not? That is centered now. Now it is these that are not centered. So let's pull up the divs. Look at the padding. Margin left, auto, not working. So okay, now this is the video upload form input, which is the text. Now this has padding that is going to throw it off that we will remove. Also, did we remove the padding for this? No, we did not. We have to update that as well. So let's file, input, label, remove the padding. Make it easy. Now back to this element. It is this. How is it that these two fields have the same CSS, but they're so different, right? Video upload form, text area seems to be the same. Now, how is that possible? Like here, this does not have a maximum height. How is it differentiating between the description and the title? We have to change the max width to 80%. We're going to make it 100% of that. And then the margin left is going to be 5% for the video upload form. Let's take a look at what that does to the styling here. Configuration. It appears to be closer to being centered, but it's not exact. What is going on? Why is it just a few pixels off? Does it still have any padding? It does have padding. Wait, this is the wrong element. I suppose the answer is that 5% is actually the wrong number now. Without padding, it does add up to 100%. Right? That is what's happening. So we can just do this last update, and this may complete the validation for the entire section of uploading videos. Let's take a look. I mean, the validation was completed before, but it's just the amazing. Check it out. Guys, we're done with this. We're done. Okay. Now we just have to flush out managing videos. So we need to do CRUD analysis, right? Okay. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. We validated this. I mean, this is great. Oh, I cannot describe how good that is. So I'm thinking the title of the video should be a little longer, don't you think? I mean, this forces him to have such a short title. Let's go back to our PHP here. Not even going to use AI for this, I don't think. What is this title? Max length? I'm going to make it 60. Okay. You can have a 60 character title now. All right. Now, I've officially finished. I just want to say one more time, I finished the validation all the way on the admin control pane. all the way down through all 3 of the upload videos. Now it's official. We're moving on to manage videos. So in order to give me just a little perspective on this, I'm going to take a short break. I'm going to write a note here that we are doing a CRUD analysis when we return. And that's going to increase the scope of our validation after the fact. So let's give that a few minutes to roll around in the old consciousness of fit. We'll be right back, guys. Well, I'm back, and once again, not really sure what I'm doing. Okay. Boy, I do not feel like doing this right now, but you know what? You just do it anyways. Just gonna clear up a few things here. Whew. I guess I'll reiterate, I do not feel like doing this right now. Gosh, guys. All right. Manage. Okay. Now, where I manage the videos in bottommost section, the UI needs some work. Please don't change what I don't ask you to, and please don't affect any functionality, but the table that appears when I click manage a video type is okay, but a little awful. It needs to be sectionalized as granular as possible with inset box shadow around each row column intersection, a nice black background with white font that is reverse when hovering, and also there does need to be a button to delete the video from the database, which by the way does show the similar progress bar. I understand deletions may be performed instantly, so in the event the progress bar wouldn't even load, please make it forced to load for 3 seconds. By the way, if this is unnecessary to track the deletion progress, and it would actually load the progress bar, then make sure to just use that. Also, when I click on the edit button, it is not bringing up the modal for editing video details. Is that true? Okay. That is not true. Okay. It works just fine. I just tested it. I will show you. For this video that the reference was broken, that one doesn't work, but all these, they work fine. You can edit it. I need to remove that last part from the prompt. So this is part of the CRUD analysis. We are going to need to be able to create, which is the upload videos, okay? So he can create new videos. Now, can he update videos? Yes, he can. He can edit the name and the description of it. We're going to, of course, validate that, but the functionality for the update CRUD analysis is complete there. So then we have the update CRUD CR read. So can he read the values of the videos? Yes, he can watch the videos himself. He can also read the stats. So yes, can he delete now? We're implementing that right now. So let's implement the delete. Okay. And it just updated our CSS. And we're going to update our JavaScript. Then we're going to rehash this. clear out our caching cookies, experience the new upload. Now, let's go down here, manage, doesn't even load it. So let's undo those fixes, and let's just see if what happens when we revert the JavaScript. Hang on. Okay. So after reverting the JavaScript, hang on. What CSS did it change? Well, hang on. After those changes, I don't see anything after clicking the manage buttons. It says error. Do we need to update pane? So I'm going to redo these changes on the JavaScript. Even though it wasn't working, I think it's because we didn't update the PHP. Yeah, I should have made a backup before I did this. Damn. If I validate an entire section, make a backup, dude. Make a backup. It's just updating. I don't know what it updated there, but here, oh, I'm sorry, I'm not showing it to you. I'm just looking at the, oh, hang on. I don't see the updates anymore. Okay, I did them already, I guess. So we're going to update this. CSS. All right, rehashed it. I'm going to clear cache cookies. Take another look. Okay. Okay. Yes, but now I don't see the buttons to edit details or remove. This is not bad. This is okay, but it does need to have a better... Also, it needs to wrap the description so that it doesn't go off the edge. Why is it updating the JavaScript? It just updated the JavaScript and the CSS. Or I did, I guess, but... Oh, hang on, I just made a mistake. Hang on, was that in the CSS? No, that was in the JavaScript. What did I do here? Okay. take another look. I still don't see the buttons. Okay, you know what? You know what? We're gonna just change this. Okay, you know what? Actually, I still don't see the buttons. The buttons in the pane. And so let's just make it so that if I click on a video in the manage videos, you know, where it's black and white font and has the description and views and all that, it opens up a modal with two options. I can either fill out field to edit or click a button to delete, which would bring up another modal to confirm deletion. Then it would trigger the progress bar. Make sure not to modify the CSS for my progress bar, which I'm so happy with. I mean, you haven't touched it in the last 10 updates, have you? All right, let's just see if that is a quick way to extract some functionality here. Okay, the AI says it hasn't modified my progress bar, so that is good. We do not want it doing that. So we're changing some of the handling here. I don't know how it's going to do this whole nested modal thing. That seems like a pretty massive update. It's obviously going to have problems, but we can handle that. Let's just see if it even brings up a modal. Oh my god, it did. Okay, this is actually amazing. Oh, this is actually amazing. Yes, I do want to, and you can't click out of the modal. I thought of that. I love it. Yes, I want to delete it. Look at this progress bar. Deleting. Okay, after successful deletion should kick you out of the modal. After successful deletion, it should kick you out of both modals open and give you a little pop-up with successful change. Nerdy details. Okay, that's good. That's good. And then we can implement that change, and then we can validate test. We can make something happen with this. We need to wrap the text. We need to implement text wrapping here. Implement text wrapping. Okay. Okay. Okay, also, we need to wrap the text for the title and description so it doesn't just go off the edge of this section. Okay, this right here, this reference needs to be deleted from the database. Okay. And then now it should just not have that problem where I can't delete that anymore because it's not trying to reference something that doesn't exist. That's going to clear up a couple issues here. Let's update our JavaScript, our CSS, and move on. Up one level. Here's the CSS. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Manage. Beautiful, amazing. Now we're going to spend some time validating this. Is this even... Look, it's not wrapping the description. Look, it's not wrapping the text like I wanted. See? Okay. And I like that these elements are centered. This is not an issue right now. Okay, we're just going to update the CSS here. And let's go on with that. Manage. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Okay. That's actually fine. Can I click off the modal? No, I cannot. That's good. We have a few of these. Now, what happens when we delete a video? I'm actually really not interested, but it just died. Error deleting video. What happened? I think it's a syntax error. So this is something that it just updated that is screwed up. I don't like it when AI just changes things that were previously working. Save the JavaScript. No, this is CSS. We don't want to be here. All right, do you keep you guys privy to my screen shares? JavaScript, here we go. Here we go. Do you have this? Do you have this? Do you have this? Upload, manage, delete. Yes. Still the same. Still same error. Still this error. What the fuck? Do you think it's funny that I'm simulating progress for a deletion here? I think that's funny. But I don't have a delete video. Do I even have a delete video file? But I don't even have a delete video. Even have a delete video file. What? Okay, so it decided just make a oh, maybe it's using Ajax. Maybe that's what it is. All right. Delete video.php. Bam. Upload. So we did update the JavaScript. And then we do have a new PHP file. Whatever. Oh my god, dude. This is not the name of my tables. Dude, how dumb are you sometimes, I swear. Videos, MP4. Videos. Move. Videos. Web M is the name of the column. This, yes, it is. There it is. Now let's just update it ourselves. Sometimes you just gotta do it yourself, dude. Let's try that. Manage. Bomb. Delete. Betcha it's gonna work. Nope, didn't work. Unknown column. File path. Okay, this is the structure of all the tables. Okay, I don't know what you're doing, but this is the structure of all the tables, which I renamed properly now. Sometimes you just have to remind it of the structure. Very useful. All right, it has the capitalization there, right? Good, 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 good. Bam, 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 bam. Save. And here's the content, if that makes a difference. And here's the current content of the table, if that makes a difference. I just want to make sure that it knows this column is a reference. Oh, let's update it to also delete the thumbnail. Yeah, we want to do that. Okay. We also need to make it so when we generate a new thumbnail and then select the other one, it does delete the old one. There's just a couple considerations there. Okay, delete. Delete video. Okay, here we go. I bet you this is going to work. Hang on. And it did not. Error deleting video. How could this possibly be happening? Let's look at the error log. What is this? 1537? Hmm? What is that? A long time ago, right? Hmm. Hang on. I wonder if this is from me right now, is it? 1537. Nah. There's nothing in the error logs. There is nothing in the error logs. Can you see what's happening? Is it possibly because that video doesn't exist? Doesn't seem like that's the case. Oh, is it because I haven't? No, that's not it either. I was gonna say maybe I didn't update my file on the server, but that's fine. Let's save this. Upload. We're gonna just update the whole system here. Luckily, it's not that many files. JavaScript, upload. JavaScript. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Log in. With ID unidentified is the server. Here we go. Video not found with ID. It's not getting an ID value. It's not getting a proper ID value. Isn't the name of the column video ID? It wants to update the JavaScript. And so do I. So here we go. Another fresh update for me to look at. All right. And it doesn't even load them now. Now it doesn't even load the videos. Now when clicking, it's not even loading the videos. You are doing something critically wrong. That is a downgrade. Load videos? I don't have a load videos. What? I don't have a load videos.php. What are you doing? Oh my god, dude. Now it doesn't even know what I'm talking about. So, no, I'm not implementing these updates. No. Oh, hang on. All right. We're reverting our updates, and then we're going to test it. Like, sitting here arguing with AI. Like, Jesus, just analyze my code instead of asking me to... All right. Okay. Actually, is this saved? All right, we're going to just reload cursor real quick. So come on now, AI, get it together. The problem is with the video deletion handling. Let me fix that by updating the relevant code in JavaScript. Oh. Whoa. What is all this? On click delete video. Well, where's the delete video? What is all this? Display videos. Why are you removing the function for showing the completion status? What is going on? Whoa. Oh my god, you just tried to remove so much functionality? That is awful. What the awful update? You just tried to remove all this amazing functionality we have with confirmation and modal and all that. This is a simple fix with the ID. What are you doing? Okay. Is this going to do anything? Let's see. Whoa, it changed it again. Hang on. My god. Okay. I've spent a lot of time just trying to delete something. This is so easy. I think what's happening here, I think I know what's happening. I think I know what's happening. We are conflating removing the entry of the row from the videos table for the file type and also deleting the video file from the dir where it's uploads videos mp4 or whatever. And furthermore, so when I click delete, it needs to first remove the entire video from the path, and then after that delete the references and thumbnail references built up in the table. Also, it does need to remove the thumbnail from the associated file path in uploads, thumbnails, whatever. Okay, so let's try that. I think that might be what's going on. This is supposed to be very simple, and there's something happening here. Okay, and then do we need to make any updates here to accommodate these changes where it says delete video? I bet you we do. Yes, we should update here to handle the full deletion process. Now we will just roll that out. All right. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Upload. Upload. Okay. Up one level. Here we go. We're gonna just reload this here. Login. Configuration pane. Manage. Please. Now it's not loading the freaking modal. On the elements in manage videos section. What on earth did you change to reduce functionality here? Ah. The JavaScript, I know you did. No, it doesn't know what I'm talking about anymore. It really doesn't. I can tell. It doesn't understand. Let's roll out this update and see what it does, but I don't think that fixed it at all. That was not. It's talking about the buttons. I mean, come on. I suppose it's possible that we deleted that video. Now it edit video, manage thumbnail, generate new thumbnail. My God, dude, this is all wrong now. What on earth? Okay, we have to revert. I don't even know what is changing now. This is awful. Like, what did I just change? Here it is. What is this? Let's try saving it here. Hang on. Maybe I should just make a backup, man. I keep reducing functionality with these updates. Okay, at least we're back here now where it just doesn't work. Okay. Okay, amazing. So everything seems to be fine. Oh my God, dude. Now it's not updating the role for me. Oh, hang on. Admin, please work. Okay, good Lord. I was so upset there. Okay, so we're here now. We're going to just do a quick test that we can upload videos. We're going to backtrack for just a second. I'm thinking I'm going to make a backup here. And then this uploads right. We're just going to keep debugging the deletion. I'm not sure what's happening. So let me put this on a brief pause and we'll get back. All right, guys, back in time for this unnecessarily long video upload, but 100% should have a upload complete. Success. Okay. And then we just uploaded an MP4 and it's not here. I wonder if... Oh, it's down here. I don't know. I don't know what we just uploaded, but I'm sure it's here. All right. So Claude is having a hard time grasping what the issue is, and we're gonna use chat. And here's the table structure. It's the same for all three file types. Let's see what you say about that. So it's the get videos. Is it possible we need to update the get videos.php for some reason? Let's see what Claude says. Oh, yep. Okay. Found it. Must be it. Save. Then we can get videos. Store PHP get videos.php. Manage. Delete. Oh, finally. I would like you to be able to see this because it looks beautiful. Been working on this for way too long now. Okay, now I can delete. Okay. Finally. Now we need to be able to manage the thumbnail in the edit. Okay. Okay, now the thumbnail modification does need to be in the modal as well when I click to manage. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna update the JavaScript here. I hope to God you didn't change any of the functionality of modifying the thumbnail. Okay. Updated JavaScript here. Here we go. Here we go. Now let's see if we can just recapture the old functionality we had for. Oh God. Okay, here we go. No. Why did you make it say manage video now? I don't like that. Okay. I didn't see if it's different. Hang on. Okay. Okay, and I don't see the area for the new one generated with preview or ability to select it. The thumbnail. This is actually kind of complex because I'm also going to make it so that he can upload his own thumbnail if he chooses. So we're going to have to override any additions to the database, any loose thumbnails floating around. Clear up any old ones whenever he uploads his own, even if he's generated a new one. It's going to take some time, but definitely worth it. Interesting. CSS here. Gonna just update that. Okay. Oh, that worked. Can't wait to validate all these fields. It's gonna be fun. All right, what happens with the scroll? Okay, here we go. You can scroll in the modal now. Does it still delete? Yes, it's gone. Okay, we're getting functionality. Progress. Oh, all right. I'm going to take a short break and we're going to come back and wrap this up. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I am Beck. And, you know, actually, we have a good start here. I don't know why only one video is here. Oh, I know why. The other ones here are not enabled. Okay. So that needs to be fixed. Pane.js, pane stop. Okay. And in the modal for manage, we do need to be able to what? Or disable the video. Should have little green circle or red circle to show status. You can put this section right above the section for managing the thumbnail. Hang on, right below. Also, put the button for saving changes centered in its own section right under the section for managing thumbnail, or right under the section for that. Okay, we're going to start with that prompt. By the way, I have my little cheese slices here. Everything a software developer needs in the modern age. A little bit of chicken fajita with corn and some spinach. Some nice soup. This is oh, it's so good. Exactly what I needed. I have a headache and really haven't eaten all day. Oh man, I feel chills going through my body just from eating that soup. It's incredible. All right, and if you want some soup, I will mail you some. I'm just kidding, guys. All right, we updated the JavaScript and the CSS here. Upload CSS. Here's the JavaScript. Ha ha ha. Here's the JavaScript. All right. Bam, 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 bam. All right, here's some more stuff. Manage. You can enable, disable. That's not working. Okay. And they all say that it's currently enabled, even though it's not. Okay. And I thought I told it to put the save changes above this. Okay. Okay, I told you to put the save all changes above the video status section. Also, for some reason, it's a blue button, which I hate. I want it like all the others. Also, video status shows enabled, even though I know the value in that column is 0. So do we need to use Ajax to get the status? Let's see if I reference my update video. Will it even look through that file? I wonder. Okay. Kind of a larger update package, but here we go. Okay. All right. All right. So just need to okay, that's not working. Is the error log saying anything? No, it is not. Oh, hang on. Get video status and get videos. Let's see. Do I have redundant PHP here? It's still not working. Look, same behavior. Please do not hurt any old functionality, please. I hate backtracking. Huh? What's the name of the column in the database? Is it is enabled or enabled? It's just called enabled. Okay. Once again, kind of a large update for that. There we go. Okay, amazing. It's getting the status right. Now when clicking enable, not updating. And I can no longer click out of the modal. I hate backtracking on functionality. My God, dude. Unbelievable. Like, so annoying. Apply. Update video status.php. Okay. Okay. Okay, and also now I cannot close out of the modal. What the? You change. Okay. Style. JavaScript. Delete. Okay. Here we go. Wait. What on earth, dude? That worked. Okay. Nice. Okay, so what's the functionality we lost? We can't close this modal out now. God damn it. All right. Can you tell why I cannot click X on the modal now and close it out? What did I change? Here's the JavaScript. Here's the here's the CSS. And here's the pain in the butt. Bump, 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 bump. I'm taking this last option because I want the global. I don't want to be able to click out of the modal. And I think that this will work around it. Let's see if that was the right decision there. Let's see. Gonna have to bam. Manage is loading the status. Now it's just stuck on loading status. My God. Hang on. Nope. Delete. Okay. And I can't click out of the mode. Okay. So that last update didn't work. Now, this is a situation where, yes, there's literally just one line of code wrong. And who knows? Okay. What am I trying to do? Just click out, right? It's not working. Oh, dude. Could it possibly be the Z index for the modal? Let's see. I'm going to have to start debugging this myself because the AI is struggling. Both of them are actually. So this is modal content. I wonder if the closed modal span class has a Z index. Does the modal content have a Z index? Here it is right here, Z index 1000. Sorry, let me show you what I'm looking at. Oops. Just added quite a few lines of code there, or quite a few characters there. So the Z index for the modal is 1000. Is it possible that the Z index for the closed modal needs to be just a little higher than that? Wait, that's 10,000. Reroll, deletion, modal, close modal. Oh, I see. Hang on. That might have been the problem. That's possible. Nope, still not working. Jeez. Wait, hang on. I don't see a Z index here. I literally don't see it. Modal content. Why isn't it there? Okay, maybe. Let's try that, maybe. I do think it has something maybe to do with the Z index. Nope. Okay, I'm thinking it has something to do with the global. Well, let's see if the Z index is here. Should be right here. Yeah, it is. 999. What if we inspect this? Oh, I see. What's happening here? They have the same Z index actually because it's inheriting it. So what if I stop the inheritance? Still is not working, right? That should fix it. What on earth? What on earth did it change here? Okay, it must be in the CSS. Okay. I've analyzed and updated. Cannot determine issue. Here's some reduced code. I mean, I could just show it the styling only. I wonder if this is gonna work. Modal content. Let's try pane style.css. Nope. Okay, that's not the problem. I'll give it just the CSS again and maybe the JavaScript, okay? And then I will also give it the PHP for pane. Okay. Wait, that was a ChatGPT. Okay. Nice little chunk of cheese there. Hey, matey. We actually have fun during our development sessions. You know, I do get frustrated. A lot of times I don't have the patience. But we do it anyway, right? And it's overall a very enjoyable experience.
Video creator? Go to artlist.io and get 10% off the Max plan.
I don't think it's a Z index issue. I think the issue is with the JavaScript, though. It's amazing how just trying to fix him trying to exit out of a modal involves all this. I'm almost certain that the CSS is what screwed it up. It's either the CSS or the JavaScript. And I wonder, is it the global handling? Is it Z index? Hang on, ensure close modal actually exists. And I don't think that's the problem. I don't know what the problem really is, but I don't think it's that. Still not working. I almost want to just end this development session because I don't want to just be debugging how to exit out of this modal for the rest of my life. And not very entertaining. I'm sure you guys do want to know the answer to this, though. Is it the Z index? Is it the JavaScript? What did I update? So, I wonder. I mean, this is just close modal. Either it's not clicking on close modal, or when it does, it is not. It is not going through. I wonder if there's a way to test that. Yeah, I'm sure I could program it to test whether I'm actually clicking on it or not. Let's see. Oh, hang on. Could this be it? And look what I'm doing right now. I just looked at the close modal CSS. I wonder if this could fix it. Hang on. I just made the display none for closing the modal. Oh my gosh. Dude, that'd be hilarious if that's what it was. Was this the CSS here? I kind of hope it was. I really hope that's what it was. Because that would be hilarious. I even asked the AI if I had the close modal function. If it wasn't actually hiding it, then I don't know. Let's see. All right, please close. No. No, it's just hiding it. No. Okay. Okay, hang on, how does this work? Yes, so when calling close modal, it appears all it's doing is looking up the CSS for close modal. Like, what the heck is that? Shouldn't it just change the display value for the modal to none? Wouldn't that fix this? All right, I wonder what having a relative position there is going to do. Okay, and then here's the close modal CSS. You guys see where I'm coming from, though? Like, once it... Never mind. I think I just had a misunderstanding there about what everything I'm talking about actually means. And I'm also standing up while I'm coding. What am I doing? How awful is this that I can't just fix this? Okay. I have analyzed this over and over and over, and this should be so easy. I cannot click the X to close the modal. It just does nothing. Can you put some visible debug so that when I click, I can tell if I'm actually pressing the element? to determine if that is the issue or not. Guys, shouldn't this be so easy? We debug to find issue. I want to give it the same prompt I gave chat. Here it is. Okay. I don't know what it is. I'm not an expert on CSS, but I don't even know if it's the CSS or the JavaScript that's causing the problem. I mean, we're going to debug this, though. Let's see. Okay. Here's the JavaScript. Here you go. Yeah. All right, delete. Screw that. Yeah. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. Manage. What's going to happen? Can I X out of it? Nope, I cannot. Okay. But it's supposed to debug it. So let's just inspect. Look at the console. Did I clear my cookies and cache? I thought I did. Oh, it was a DOM issue? Guys, Claude says it found the problem. It was in the JavaScript, it says. Hang on, I actually believe that. Let's look. My God, hang on. Let's see. No, that wasn't it either. Nope, that literally did nothing. I cannot X out of my modal still. Huh. Well, we did upload the JavaScript, okay? And I know it cleared caching cookies. We can try this one more time. Yeah, seriously, if I can't X out of this modal after this update, then I'm gonna probably just take a break and try and get some perspective so that I have the patience to come back, sort through the code, and figure out what's wrong. So, all right, and that's still not working. Okay, guys. Well, delete you because I don't like it. I think it has to do with the global click handling. I think that's what it is, guys. The hang on. Let's just try that. I think it might have to do with the global click modifier you did. Is that possible here? Let's see. I wonder if it did that change. I'd be surprised if it did a change like that. Now it wants to update the JavaScript. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. We're back here. Upload. Here we go. Check it out. Here we go. Manage. Please work. Nope. Nope. Man, this is something so stupid. I've done Z-index, I've done DOM control, I've done the CSS to no end, display values, block or none, verifying handling of this. I guarantee you I'm going to come back and fix this in like 5 seconds. Like whatever it is that's throwing it off. But guys, you know, that does wrap up the end of this development session. This is 3 hours long, you know, and what have I even gotten done? Like as far as progress goes, man, this has been a slow sprint session, right? Just endless validation, lots of backtracking, still making progress. You know, we are at the manage video section now, and we have implemented a lot of updates. We have this modal looking beautiful. It even works properly in most respects. Of course, we can't close out of it, but as far as I can tell, this is ready for more validation testing. I just need to get past this barrier of this little X here, okay? So this is actually a great place to stop, and thank you so much for tuning in for these development sessions. You know, this is going to be a lot of fun generating new software to release to the world, make people's lives better. So, you know, our League of Legends videos are released every Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, but we do release these videos quite often, and not on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays at 7 p.m. When you tune in on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, that is just League of Legends. So once again, thank you guys for tuning in. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your 2024.